Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you know that your entire skincare would be ineffective if you do not use a good sunscreen? A sunscreen slows down the aging process of your skin and is an excellent anti-aging cream. Sunscreen is not something that you should be using only in summers. It should be used throughout the year. And also, you should apply sunscreen not only to your face but also to your body or any part which is exposed to sun. So, in this video, I am reviewing 3 sunscreens from a drugstore brand. Now, the formulation of these 3 is very different. So I will review the individual product, but I will also tell you which type of formulation is best suited for face and for body. The consistency and the packaging of these products is very different. One of them is a roll-on, the second one is a spray, and the third one is in a cream form. Before diving into these products, do you know what to look for in a sunscreen? Well, a good sunscreen should provide UVA and UVB protection. It should be non-greasy. It should not leave a white cast on your skin. It should have good spreadability, and personally I prefer sunscreens that have mild or no fragrance. So now let's have a look at each of these products. The first one is this Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture. This has SPF 30. This is a lotion and has a very creamy texture. Now, any sunscreen which has a lotion or a cream formulation tends to have good spreadability. Such sunscreens are ideal to be used for your face and for your body. Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture is a very good sunscreen in form of lotion. Now, what makes it a good sunscreen? Well, this sunscreen has UVA and UVB protection. It does not leave a white cast on your skin. It's non-greasy and it spreads evenly. So, if you are looking for a sunscreen that has a creamy formulation, you can go in for this one. Now, let's move ahead and see the second product. This is the Nivea Sun. This is a sunscreen which is for kids. It is a roll-on, therefore the application is very convenient. So, if you talk about the formulation, any sunscreen which comes in form of roll-on is very convenient to apply. They mostly have good spreadability and they are ideal for face and for body. I prefer products that can be used by everyone in the house. So, if you talk about this product, why I like it is 1. It provides UVA and UVB protection. It does not leave a white cast. It's not greasy. It spreads evenly and it can be used by anyone in the family, including kids. Though it's meant for kids, but it can be used by both men and women. Now let's move on to the final product. This is the Nivea Sun Protect and Refresh with SPF 30. If you talk about the texture of the product, this has the lightest texture as it's a spray. As this is in a spray form, if you are going to apply it on your face, there are chances that it can go in your eyes. So, for a sunscreen which is in a spray form, I would say it has a good spreadability, but it is ideal for body, but not really for your face. And if I talk about the product, I do like the grip in this bottle. As a spray form of sunscreen has a very light texture, therefore it is ideal for someone who needs to reapply it constantly. The reason why you should go for this sunscreen is 1. This also has UVA and UVB protection. It does not leave a white cast. It is non-greasy and it has a good spreadability. But this is good for your body and it is not really meant for your face as it can go in your eyes. So these 3 sunscreens are a good option from the drugstore. If you found the video useful, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. That way you would be notified about all my future videos. Till the next video, bye bye.